Now we are going to install Firebase, and we're also going to set up the project in Firebase console. So let's fire up the Vue UI again, where we are going to install the Firebase dependency. So if I type Vue UI, the user interface is going to load. And if I go to dependencies, and up here, install dependency, if I just search for Firebase, and here's the top one, click on that and install Firebase. Okay, Firebase is installed, and that was very easy. Next, we are going to log into the Firebase console and set up the project there. So go to firebase.google.com and sign in, and click Go to Console. Here we are going to click Add Project. We can name that VueTube. This is our project ID and location, United States. It's okay. I accept, and I accept. Create project. Just click continue and everything should be okay. We can click to add Firebase to your web app and just copy these lines, and then we go to our editor and open main.js and paste the code here. Now everything should be set up and Firebase is included in our project. And that's it for this part of the course. We have now installed Firebase to our project and set up everything we need for now in the Firebase console. In the next part, we are going to set up authentication where the users can sign up and log into our VueTube app.